Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Axis Bank's account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So to log into your Axis Bank's credit card account, go to your Google search, type in Axis Bank login and make a search. Click on the first link displayed on the screen. It will take you to the official page of Axis Bank. Now, tap on the login button. In order to log into your Axis Bank's credit card account, enter your login ID or customer ID. Type in your password associated with your Axis Bank's account. Tap on the eye icon to check if your password is entered correctly or not. If you don't remember your password, click on Reset here. After entering your login ID and password, click on Login. This is how you can log into your Axis Bank's credit card account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching.